There are literally thousands of cat toys on the market today. Some are really nice and actually pretty useful, and some are just plain outrageous. Thing is, cat toys cost money, and I've come to realize that cats enjoy the simpler things in life, one of their many lovable qualities. I've searched my house high and low for everyday household items that Millie would enjoy playing with. I got some really good hits and of course a few hard misses. Nevertheless, I ended up with 7 everyday household items that make unexpectedly good cat toys. You either already have all these items in your house right now, or you'll need to acquire them for basically next to nothing. Be sure to stay tuned for a bonus item at the end. Are you a cat lover? Then why not subscribe to Excited Cats to catch us every Monday for interesting cat videos and learn something new about cats every single week. Your cat will thank you. Number 1, paper balls. This is perfect for the work from home crew. I have a little box full of paper balls that I throw at Millie every day while I work, and then I pick it up every evening. Hashtag cat mom life. Number 2, cotton ear swabs. Another fantastic household item that doubles as a really fabulous cat toy. It's light and easy to throw around, it has the ability to roll, and it keeps Millie busy for hours. Make sure to keep an eye on them whilst they're playing with this one. I know it seems unlikely, but cats have the ability to make weird things happen. So make sure they don't swallow it whole or nibble off the little cotton ends. Number 3, jute twine. This is basically like regular string, but better. Most cats love the texture of jute twine or jute rope. As I mentioned in our previous video about Millie's cat tree, her favourite part of the tower is the thick jute rope. She really goes to town on it. I received a gift with jute twine wrapped all around it, and I instantly knew Millie would love it. And she does. Go dig around in your craft or gift drawer and I'm sure you'll find a piece. Or you can buy a roll for $2. Number 4, bobby pins and hair ties. If you have long hair, then you probably have 503 bobby pins and roughly 65 hair ties laying around your house right this second. Tucked away between couches, under carpets, under furniture, basically anywhere you can't find it. Go on a bobby pin hunt, find those hair ties and throw them around in your cat's presence. It'll keep them busy until they eventually end up in the abyss where you got them. Number 5, good old toilet paper roll. It might be the most common household item and it's so diverse. You can probably make 10 or 15 cat toys out of this one single roll. I like to keep it in one piece and use it as a shield when playing with Millie. Or I like to cut little tentacles in it for that extra drama and tie a string around it so we can get our steps in. Number 6, the chopstick rod. Why buy a rod cat toy for $50 if you can make one for free? Who doesn't love sushi? Vegetarian, of course. Eat with your hands and save the chopsticks for your cat. So you just take your chopstick and your piece of string. I already tied like a little messy loop at the end, so there's lots of pieces that you can get her nails and teeth into. And then you take the end, you tie it around the chopstick tightly, otherwise it's going to come loose. And then there you have it. You have a really easy, fun cat toy in under 10 seconds. Millie's already looking at it, but she's too tired. She's not going to get up now. And voila, a cat rod toy without spending any money. You can be wild and add feathers and felt shapes and even other pieces of string to the end if your cat is so inclined. Millie likes it nice and simple. Number 7, the bonus item. This can be used as a cat toy, or in mine Millie's case, we use it as a bonding tool. Since she's an only child, she doesn't have the luxury of getting her face groomed by other cat friends. This also makes for a really nice cat toy, especially kittens. A clean paintbrush. I use it to imitate grooming and Millie really seems to love it. I use it to bond with her and make her feel cared for. When she was younger, she also really loved to play with it. You might need to buy this one, but I promise it'll be cheaper than a store-bought toy. Again, just be careful with this one. Make sure they don't bite off and ingest some of the bristles. And for the love of all cats, please make sure there's no paint left on the brush. It should be a new, clean, sturdy brush. Make sure that the bristles don't fall out easily. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We post new, interesting cat care content each and every Monday. Also, give it a thumbs up if you learned something and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you for watching and see you next time.